In today's video, we're going to cover how to install Android Studio on Windows 11. Let's begin. First, you're going to go to your browser and type Download Android Studio. Then you're going to click on Get Android Studio. Next, check for the minimum and recommended system requirements. Now you're going to click on the Download the latest version of Android Studio. Next, you're going to click on Download Android Studio Electric EL. The Terms and Condition page will pop up. Scroll down to the bottom and tick the mark. Then click on Download Android Studio in the green background. Once the download is complete, click to open it. Wait just a few seconds, then the installation setup will pop up. Click through by clicking on the Next button. Wait for it to complete the installation. Then once the installation is complete, click Next and then Finish. If you already have Android Studio settings stored somewhere, you can import them. If not, then click on Do Not Import Settings and click OK. After that, click Next throughout. Here, you can select which SDK you want to install. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Hope this video helped you, and thanks for watching.